Most people quit Java not because it's hard, but because nobody explains it clearly. So in this video, I am starting a Java from scratch in the simplest way possible. Hi, my name is Karan Verma and I am a Java backend developer. I watched tutorials, I took courses, and still I felt something was missing. So I decided to rebuild my Java from zero the right way. So one thing is that what is Java? Before understanding Java, let's understand one simple thing. A computer does not understand human language or any other Hindi language or English. कंप्यूटर को हिंदी इंग्लिश नहीं आती भाई. It understands only binary language that is in the form of zeros and one. But humans तो humans cannot write zeros and ones, है ना? You know that कि हम zeros and ones के फॉर्म से तो नहीं लिख सकते. इसलिए प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज को बनाया गया. That's why it is created. So Java is one of such programming languages that allows humans to talk to the computer. That is simple. That everyone knows, I think. Earlier, programs were written for only one operating system. Maybe most of the programming language has advantages and drawbacks also, like C plus C, C plus plus, and Java. So there are some limitations in other programming languages also. So you may have questions like why Java was created. Java was created to deal with the platform independent problem. Because if you write code on one computer, इन अदर प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, अगर आप एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज का कोई भी कोड लिखते हैं एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे, इट आप उसको दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म पे रन नहीं कर सकते. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू आर क्रिएटिंग अ प्रोजेक्ट और प्रोग्राम ऑन विंडोज, you cannot be able to run on Linux. That is the problem. That problem is solved by the Java. So if you wrote code for Windows, it would not work on Linux. That was the problem. So Java was created to solve this problem with one simple thing, one simple principle: write once, run anywhere. Because Java has one of the best advantages, it is platform independent. Like if you write a code on Windows, it can be run on Linux also because it's platform independent. This means you write Java code and it can be run anywhere in any systems. We will go deeply in the next coming sessions. So you may have questions like how Java actually works. So yeah, I will give you a short explanation. Now here's the most important thing. Like most people skip this कि बहुत सारे लोग इस चीज़ को skip करते हैं. मैंने खुद अपने freshers period पे इसको skip किया है. I am also a fresher right now, but I want you to don't do this mistake what I have did before. So आप skip मत करिए please. Java code does not run directly on your computer. Java code directly आपके कंप्यूटर पे नहीं चलता है. It means if you write a Java code, it first convert into a byte, some things called bytecode. Just understand it is a bytecode. Okay, this bytecode runs inside a software called JVM, that is called Java Virtual Machine. Every operating system has its own JVM, and that what makes Java a platform independent. And what is one important thing? Java does not run on Windows. Java does not run on Linux. It runs on JVM, Java Virtual Machine. I will tell you the execution flow of the Java. Wait. So let me explain in a fully simplest way as a beginner. First, you write a code. First, you create a .java file in your system. That file is called a source code. Then the Java compiler convert this .java file and converts it into a .class file, and that is called bytecode. After successful compilation, a, a .class file will be created, and that .class file will consist of bytecode, which is not understandable by the humans. यू कैन नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, हम नहीं पढ़ सकते उस चीज को, बिल्कुल समझ ही नहीं आएगा कि क्या लिखा हुआ है. So then the main thing comes. Then the JVM reads this bytecode and converts it into machine language, that is in the forms of zeros and ones. Finally, the CPU executes it and you get your output with whatever you have written. This extra layer is what makes Java powerful and secure. Why Java is still used today. So Java is not outdated. It is used to make enterprise applications, web applications, mobile applications, standalone applications. So I will explain this in details. Java is used in banks, fintech companies, large enterprises, and backend systems. And it uses frameworks like Spring Boot, Hibernate, which are built on Java. So if you want to become a Java backend developer, Java's Java is still one of the best choices. So in this channel I explain Java and backend development slowly and clearly. No shortcuts, no fake promises. We will focus on Java basics, JVM, Oops, Spring Boot, and real backend projects. And we will cover most of the Spring Boot topics, modules like Webflux, Apache Kafka, and some DevSecOps tools also. So yeah, if you stay on this channel, stay tuned with this. I will cover most of the topics which is required to get into IT jobs, get you land a IT job. So if you are starting Java or rebuilding your Java basics, this channel is for you because I am building my own portfolio in front of you. I am not a professional, I'm not an expert in this, but I'm just sharing my knowledge, whatever I know. So subscribe to the channel and comment start below. I will reply to the every messages and I will reply to everyone and guide you step by step. This is just the beginning. Thank you.